How to make money in a time like this. It's pretty clear that right now we're in a pretty tricky situation with both an economic crisis as well as a health crisis happening at the very same time. It's certainly something that you shouldn't take lightly, and hopefully everybody watching this is staying safe. But ultimately what I want to share with you today are 5 things that you can do from the comfort of your home if you're in quarantine in order to make a lot of money. I have to tread lightly when I say this, but at the end of the day, this entire situation really hasn't impacted my business. I'm still making the same amount of money online. I'm still acquiring clients. And ultimately, I want you to be able to do the same thing. If I was relying solely on real estate like I was in previous years, I'd be in a lot of trouble right now. Everybody's pulling out of deals. Buyers, sellers, investors aren't doing any work. So now the fact that I've got my business almost entirely run off my laptop, I'm in a place where I'm still scaling, I'm still growing, and I've still got well over $10,000 coming in passively per month from the stuff that I'm doing online. So let's get straight into it and talk about how you might be able to start making money online so that if this goes on for a long period of time, or if something like this happens again, knock on wood that isn't the case, but ultimately, let's talk about how you can start to make money online using these 5 things. The first thing is marketing, of course. You know, some of the other ones are going to be a bit different, but at the end of the day, marketing's a great opportunity. If you're proficient, or if you learn how to become proficient at running Facebook ads, YouTube ads, Instagram, Google AdWords, SEO, anything like that, and doing it for different niches, whether it be a real estate niche, an e-commerce niche, or service-based, product-based. I've got a friend that does it for chiropractors. So ultimately, marketing is still going on. People are still marketing their product, services, as well as courses and some of the other stuff that we're going to talk about. So if you take some of the downtime, if you're sitting at home in quarantine, hanging out, instead of binge watching Netflix all day, learn how to do some marketing strategies. It's really not that difficult to learn how to do, and you can make a lot of recurring monthly income by running ads for other people that don't simply have the time to do so. So ultimately, again, people are actually picking up their marketing spend right now at a time where they're trying to make sure that they don't go bust, and ultimately they need somebody like you that might be able to help them run those and scale their business. So marketing's a great one, and is one of the ones that we're currently doing right now for a lot of our clients. Number 2, coaching and consulting. Let's break this down a little bit. Now, ultimately right now, again, a lot of people are going to be needing help during this time. If you were previously doing coaching and consulting in person, simply just transition it online. I coach a lot of business owners, entrepreneurs, realtors, fitness instructors about how to scale their business online using content marketing, creative strategies, and building passive recurring income. All of my calls are on Zoom. I can do this from the comfort of my home. It doesn't matter if this quarantine goes on for 6 months. I can still do all of my coaching and consulting with my clients because you've got amazing platforms like Zoom where you can simply do your calls from the comfort of your home. Even if you're, let's say, an engineer like I previously was, and you consult other businesses, you can still do that using online technology and online platforms. And that's one of the blessings of the society that we're in today, is the fact that you do have these technologies to leverage. So coaching and consulting online, great option in a time like this. Number 3, online courses. This has been one of the best ones for me that has helped create additional revenue income on a recurring basis, is taking the content that you have or anything that you do in your coaching or consulting business, consolidating it into online videos using a platform like Kajabi, ConvertKit, Teachable, or anything else, and starting to sell an online course. Right now, people need help. If you've got a course on, how to escape the 9 to 5, if you've got a course on, how to manage your money properly in a time like this, that is perfect. People are going to want to buy that. So this is a great time to take a step back, set up your camera in the comfort of your house, start putting all of your content into video form, and then put it into an online course and start to sell it and scale it. If you end up doing that and you want me to show you how to drastically scale it to the point where it makes you up to $1,000 a day using YouTube content and things like that, hit me up, send me a message, or drop a comment below, and I'll gladly have a 30-minute free strategy call with you, because that's what we're doing with a lot of our clients, is taking what they're already doing, packaging it into a very powerful video format for an online course, and then using the creative strategies that I've proven myself time and time again in order to sell it at scale, recurring all the time. So now number 4 is investing. Again, I just made a video that I put out the other day about the stocks that I'm investing in at this point in time right now. this is a great time to get in and make money online with online investing. You can use a bunch of different platforms that are free, very easy to use, and this is a great time if you've got some disposable income, you've put aside your savings, and you're good for the next foreseeable future. But I think this is a great opportunity right now to make some money online investing, because we're in a very rare situation right now, both an economic and a health crisis happening at the same time. So I think this is a great time to get in, a great time to park some money and sit on it for a couple years or a year in the stock market while you're buying things at up to 90% off. So investing, great opportunity right now online. Last but not least, number 5, e-commerce products. There's still a great option. I'm actually looking at launching an e-commerce product with a buddy of mine over the next couple weeks here. It's great opportunity right now to, again, you can drop ship, you can do Amazon FBA, you can do all kinds of opportunities in order to sell e-commerce products online. Build a Shopify site this afternoon, come up with a great product, sell it at scale, Facebook ads, whatever you want to do. But ultimately right now is an opportunity for you to start getting online into the business world by using e-commerce as the avenue to do that. I think it's a great option right now for people that, again, are going to be at home. You can find distributors in places that aren't as affected and are still running because they're running out of warehouses. So great opportunity right now to sit back and think about that. And even if you don't launch it during the pandemic, you're able to build it during this point in time. And then when we come out of it on the other end, hopefully everybody's safe and sound. But when you come out of it, you'll have something that's ready to launch and ready to go. So I think that's a great opportunity right now. All of these are going to be great ways to make money. I've proven all of them myself to date. And again, there's a couple that I focus on, but I think that you still have a lot of opportunity to make a lot of money from the comfort of your house during this point in time and quarantine. So if you have any questions about online courses, coaching, consulting, marketing, anything that I mentioned, drop a comment below, hit me up, and I'd love to chat. I do respond to 100% of my comments. Also, I'm going to include a video at the end of this that I think you're really going to like and get some value from. So thanks so much for tuning in. As always, please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and we will see you next time.